I like this kind of things because I want to use spice because I have to wipe it off. I have to wipe it off to my hair. Hello guys, welcome to my new video. I woke up now and I'm going to take bath. I think today is Saturday, so every Saturday I go to the temple. I will check to my old mobile because I'm not confirm about it. Yes, today is the 14th June and Saturday, so I will go to the temple evening time. So I want to finish my taking bath, and please don't mind, there are plenty of things unorganized, please don't mind. So if I talk about my city, temperature is so much. I will go to the bathroom and I will take bath there, but after some minute I will feel like I didn't take bath. Because why? Because temperature is so much hot, and after taking bath I will start sweating again. Right now I am having sweating. Mostly I get sweating on my head and back of my neck. In summertime it's very hard to survive, and every summertime I want to go cool place like Simla, Manali, but I haven't visited there. I have visited Jammu and Kashmir side, but Uttarakhand side I didn't visit yet, but in future maybe I will visit there. I'm eagerly waiting for that day. I'm about to ready for taking bath, and sun is so much sunny. Look at, I'm getting sunlight on my face because this is my courtyard. So there's a one option where, but not option, it's called sunlight. Yes, I think it's called sunlight. I don't know what's called to it. I don't know. I forget what's called to it. I don't know. So as you can see, sunlight is coming from above my ceiling, as you can see. And look at. Oh my God! If I will stay 5 and 4 minutes, so I think I will boil. So these are things very common if you will do in a summer time. Okay, so don't try like this thing. It's not good for you. I'm just kidding. So first of all guys, I want to explain about one of the things which I was talking about before. So look at above my head, it's called skylight, where we get sunlight. So this is courtyard. Okay, so in India every home has courtyard. In courtyard ceiling side you can easily find a skylight. So we get from here sunlight, as you can see. But if I will stay so much here, I will get enough sweating. Because why? Because it's summer. If I talk about skylight is very good enough for winter, but summer is not good enough. You have to cover it. So whenever temperature is so much high, we mostly cover it because my courtyard temperature goes up. So that is why goes high. So everything has disadvantage and advantage. But you can find your happiness each and every situation. It's depend on you, it's depend on person to person. So guys, I have taken bath. As you can see, I have taken bath, and now I'm going to looking pant which I want to wear today, and I'm feeling so much fresh because after taking bath you will get even. So, but after some minute I will start sweating again. This is very common in summer time, so I'm going to looking my pant. Okay, I have gotten my one of the jeans, so I will wear today this one. Okay, but I'm waiting for my hair get a little bit dry, so after I will wear, and I will use some towel, not some towel, I will use some towel. Because I have to wipe it off. I have to wipe it off to my hair. And okay, let's finish everything. I have to finish everything within minute. So I'm going to wipe it off my hair, and I will wear to my jeans too. So I'm going to wipe it off my hair. So this is the gadget. This is not gadget. This is not gadget. So I will use. Look at my skills. I'm very good. So I will show you my great skills which I have, great talent which I have. Look at how we wipe it off our hair. So I will put like this. Oh my god, I'm feeling good enough. Process is ongoing, guys. Oh my, I will do like this too every time. This is my hobby, this is my habit. So, little bit I have gotten dry hair. I will use more. No, I am doing so much fun. Okay, I will wipe it off to my beard too. So, as you can see, guys, this is the talent which I have. This talent I have. One and only person in whole world whom have talent like this. So I have gotten my dry hair, as you can see, and I will wear now jeans. Okay, I will wear, and I want to eat my lunch too, because today I didn't eat anything, so I have to finish everything within minute. Every time I say like this thing, I have to finish everything within minute, but I take enough time. My voice getting echo. Oh, I like this kind of things because I want to use spice in my content. Keep in your mind, guys, keep in your mind. I want to use spice. Spice does matter in content. Look at me, how talented I am. One and only got up talented in whole world. Nobody like me in whole world. Keep in your mind. So guys, everything have finished. As you can see, I have completed my dressing. Look at my outfit. Maybe it would be good enough. I don't know about it. Write down comment about my outfit. So now I have to organize everything to their place. My room is messy. As you can see. I have to do, and I must do, because this is my home. So I cannot do any mistake at my home, because if someone will come, any guest will come, what they will think about me? My reputation will down. If they will see like this thing at my home. So I will do. So I am going to eat my lunch. I will sit on sofa. And look at my lunch. Chapati. You can find everywhere in India. Chapati is very common in north part of India. So even I like chapati so much. Chapati and potato. It's custom of my home. Chapati. So you can eat too. This is a small portion of chapati, and it is for you. Okay? You can eat. So guys, I have eaten my lunch, and I wanted to say something, but I forget. I don't know. I have to remind. And my mama is cooking something. She's cooking something. Potatoes. She's doing something. I don't know that what they want to cook. I don't know. I just saw. I didn't pay attention. Oh my god. So guys, today I am having sore throat and body soreness. I am feeling low energy. Maybe I am about to cold, because this is the symptoms of cold. Whenever I get cold before, like this thing is happened with me. I'm just I'm lying on sofa. I'm watching little bit Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, and my mom is watching too. My mom is beside me, as you can see, and she is watching Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma too. And I'm here on sofa. I want to sleep too. And I will show you the time right now. Look at the time, is about to 3 p.m. Pray for me. I will go to the medical shop and I will buy some medicine. Maybe I could record something there. I don't know. I'm not sure about it. But pray for me. So guys, I would like to say one thing. See you to my next one.